This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. Professionally decorated, brand new Dahlia floor plan with 2 bedrooms, den and 2 full baths. This 1,565 square foot home has all the quality upgrades to satisfy the most discerning buyer. Quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, soft close cabinets and drawers, ceramic tile throughout the whole villa, crown molding, and impact resistance windows and sliders, are just a few of the luxuries to enjoy. The pool overlooks a quiet preserve where you can relax and enjoy the privacy of nature. No need to hang window treatments, TV and #X2019, or chandeliers, everything is included. This villa is being sold turnkey furnished with extras including the Minto 1-year warranty on everything. The Isles of Collier Preserve has great amenities, like the iconic clubhouse with large fitness center, a huge resort-style pool, a lap pool, the Overlook Bar and amp, grill, tennis, pickleball and bocce ball courts, a dog park and a social director that keeps things hopping. There are over 8 miles of nature trails to experience and abundant wildlife. Kayaks and canoes are available for use to paddle to the Gulf of Mexico. This is one of Naples' most desirable gated communities and only 4 miles to our famous 5th Avenue. For more information, review the details below.